Hey guys, what is up? What is going on? Right now, we're in Ao Nang, Thailand, and we're staying at the PK Mansion. We're right now having a rooftop view of the ocean, and it's right now. It's a little bit raining, a little bit blue skies. The weather here changes quite often here, so yeah. And she's still asleep.
No.
It's like 11.
No.
Okay, thank you PK Mansion for all the lovely hospitality. Our room was really, really good. If you're staying in Ao Nang, you have to check out this place if it's available. And yeah, I loved it here. It was great. What do you thought?
Let's go.
Alright, let's go. Checking. My phone, God. Alright, I think we're in the clear. Our bags are still here. Yay! I'm driving.
But you have a bag. You have such a big bag.
Okay, so right now we are biking through the region. We're looking for somewhere that's local, that's not as expensive as the tourist region. And then we're going to be swimming in the beach later. We have this bike until 1:30. I rented it for an entire day. And if you didn't see yesterday's episode, I took my passport, so I want to make sure that I return this on time. Are we going to Pho?
No, pho.
Pho?
It's yeah, let's go to get some Vietnamese food.
Okay, are we going back there?
Yeah. I just saw it. I hope that they have good food though. Let's check it out.
Okay.
Oh goodness. Gotta learn how to balance the bike.
Go.
Wait. Watch out. Oh goodness.
Yeah, I got it.
It's somewhere on the left side.
You're still standing, man.
Sitting on.
You need to practice more. Not that one, the other.
One of my objectives here was to eat Vietnamese food because I wanted to kind of see what it's like in Southeast Asia. They're saying they're $1 in Vietnam though.
Sorry?
They're saying they're $1 in Vietnam though.
It's about 30,000, which is like $1.50.
So we need to go to Vietnam next.
Definitely, you're gonna die in Vietnam just because of food. Really? On my channel, which I have a guest right here.
Hi guys.
His name is Michael, and he actually traveling with me to Ao Nang.
Maiku. Yeah.
You crazy? How could you forget your phone?
Because I always think it's in my bag or in my pocket. I don't usually leave my phone anywhere. And we'll be heading back to the hotel. Then we may get a massage. Then we might swim in the ocean. And then I guess it's time to fly back to Bangkok. Yay! Hold this for a bit.
I like this.
You okay? You good?
Okay.
Let's go. How's the brakes on this thing?
Pretty
The rain?
good.
Yeah, it's still good?
Yeah. Don't worry, we're not gonna die.
Why do you think I gave you the raincoat?
Because you know that if you drive, we would die.
Well, we're checking the women-only hostel last night, yesterday morning, and now they had a really cool cafe. She really wants to check out the cafe. Yay guys, we got our drinks. It looks sick.
Caught me Instagramming.
She's been at work here for the last 3 hours. She's been crushing it. So check out her vlog. I am going to put that link below too.
Do that. Is it down here?
Yeah, so we're just right now still having our little computer club.
I mean, I've been staying here for like 5 hours.
It's been raining for the last 5 hours, so we didn't really even want to take our cameras outside because but we still have this really cool cafe.
Very chill. Because it's an out of tune. And I don't have the ad. No! I can only play ukulele. I don't know how to play guitar.
And away we go.
Wrap up? No, that takes a long time.
Swimming. I want to go swimming.
Oh, swimming. If you want, you can swim.
You're just gonna stay here?
Yeah, because I have 3 articles to finish.
Oh. Alright, then I'll go swimming. Can I leave my stuff with you? Sunburned because there's no sun. Too bad we didn't get to take a longboat to the islands over there. That's what I would have wanted to done. But I'm totally new at this, but maybe I should have brought a towel when I got here. It's raining, but we're heading out of here. Hopefully our flights are not delayed for whatever reason. Are you still with me? Oh, she's gone. I don't know what happened to her. I'm gonna change out of my swimming outfit into something that's a little bit more warm. And away we go. This hero here got us 2 meals from 7-Eleven.
Friend lives up in the mountains, isn't he, somewhere?
Okay, choose what you want.
Yeah, when it snows,
That one.
so literally there's no getting up or down.
That one.
Skis on the
There you
jump.
go.
Is anyone you prefer? You're on the bottom.
Nah, it doesn't matter.
Didn't realize I didn't film what was in here. I've ate half of it, and she's eaten a little bit of it, but
Pretty good.
it's pretty good. Okay, so now we're just heading off to the airport. Go take care of it.
Oh God, no.
Alright, let's go. How do we get on?
This way? Earlier than I thought. Oh my God.
So right now she's just explaining what happened.
Yeah, so basically my flight's at 8:10. I didn't know it, and I thought that it was like at 9:45. We're so lucky that we actually took the bus at 6 o'clock. Otherwise, I would be like,
Yeah.
so still lucky. All right,
I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you back in Bangkok.
Safe flight.
Thank you. It's time to fly again. I wonder, I'm guessing this plane won't be full. Another different airline. It looks nice. I don't know anything about Thai Smile, but that looks okay. Yeah, I was so worried that my luggage was overweight that I forgot to ask for a window seat. So shit. But yeah, well, I guess we'll see if this plane is actually full or empty. Maybe I can move around. Okay, we arrived in Bangkok. Pick up bags, gotta go rush to Ian's place. So this time I'm not gonna make the same mistake and take a taxi. I'm gonna take one of the subway lines because I'm super early and subways are still open and Ian lives right off the subway line. Don't know why I had to take a cab last time. Alright guys, so this is the end of the vlog. I'm back in Bangkok, I'm at Ian's place, and we're heading out to Cambodia tomorrow. So thank you guys for watching, I love you guys, and no, thank you for watching, because tomorrow's gonna be a great vlog. Thank you guys, bye.